Okay, and we got it sewn together. Let's turn it right side out and see what we have. I've already cut one flower to show you an example. And what we're going to do is cut several more and then glue them onto the jeans. Most people use laser engravers for wood projects. Signs, coasters, cutting boards, you name it. But laser engravers can go way beyond that. As you can see here, I'm engraving this jewelry box with the WizMaker WAND laser engraver. The details and precision are incredible, and it gives a really clean, professional finish. But we're not stopping there. Today, I'm also going to show you how this same laser engraver can be used on other materials, like a purse. So you can get creative with all kinds of custom designs. Today, I'm unboxing and testing the WizMaker WAND 12W. Alright, and inside the box, we first have two different manuals, one for the Laser GRBL, which is very nice because that's the software we'll be using, and the other one for the actual machine itself. Next, as we unpack the box, we have some pieces that we need to put together, but it looks pretty easy to me. Not only did the kit include everything we need to engrave and cut, but it also came with safety glasses, to protect your eyes from the laser, and it came with a spare part. So we are all set in case we need to use the spare part. And the safety glasses are great because most laser engravers that I have found do not come with safety glasses. So this is like an extra bonus. So thank you. Do I look cool in them? Because I feel like I look cool in them. Just let me know in the comments. So first we'll take this little bar here and slide it into the slot. Okay, quick assembly here. Slide the side pieces into the end pieces, then secure the top piece. I actually put it on backwards at first, but I'll show you the correct way in just a second. Finally, lock everything in place with 6 screws and you're good to go. Okay, when you put this part on, it does need to make sure it's facing upright. So there's numbers on it, and those numbers need to face right side up. Okay, now we're going to slide the laser module in. Alright, now that the laser module's in place, all that's left is to plug in these 3 little connectors. Super simple. Each plug only goes in one spot, so it's really easy to see where they belong. Just line them up, click them in, and you're ready to go. Okay, and we are set up and ready to go. So let me turn it around. This is what the front looks like. It'll say the name brand right across there, WizMaker. You have your laser module right here. The little dial that you use to tighten the laser module with and loosen it, raise it and lower it is right there. We have our on button, an accessory button, the computer button, and the power supply. We just need to plug it into a computer. This WizMaker WAND 12W laser engraver has a 300 by 300 millimeter work area. That is plenty of space for coasters, labels, leather patches, signs, and more. It's also great for small batch projects. This model is perfect for DIYers, small studios, and Etsy sellers who want engraving power and cutting power without investing in a huge machine. You can also connect via Wi-Fi, hotspot, or USB, which makes this usable even at markets or trade shows. This laser engraver also works on Burn Lab on your mobile app using Wi-Fi. So now that you've seen how this laser engraver works, the surface area, the materials it handles, and how clean it engraves on wood, this is where we switch gears. Before we move on to our bigger project, I need to confess something. I had a couple creative incidences with these jeans. First of all, I very creatively set in some paint on the back pocket there, if you can see that. And second of all, while trying a new machine, I accidentally got black permanent marker on the bottom of my jeans. So these jeans have really been through it, but I'm not done with them yet because we upcycle on this channel. You see, I have all these denim scraps from other projects. So instead of tossing them, we're going to laser cut them into flowers to cover up all of my pretty little mistakes on my jeans. I've already cut one flower to show you an example, and what we're going to do is cut several more and then glue them onto the jeans in the areas where the creative mistakes were made. So we'll place our piece of denim underneath the laser cutter, and the laser cutter does start at the bottom left corner. There are arrows on the software to move the laser cutter. Once you put your laser cutter in the proper position, you'll hit the world button. This is one of my favorite tricks because cutting small pieces of fabric would be annoying by hand. Once we have everything framed out, all we need to do is hit our start button and watch it cut. When we hit start, it gives us a pop-up to put safety glasses on. The Wand 12W engraves wood, leather, fabric, paper, felt, ceramic, glass, stone, and MDF with sharp detail. Perfect for decorative items and sellable designs. For cutting, the 12W handles basswood up to 7 millimeters, balsa up to 16 millimeters, and black acrylic up to 4 millimeters. This really expands what you can create. And now that the laser has cut the flower, all we need to do is lift it up and pull it out. And now we have a beautiful flower. So I'm going to cut several more of these. And we're also going to be using a lighter shade of denim to cut some smaller flowers to go inside the larger flowers. So I'm going to get started with that. Using the laser cutter, I cut this pile right here. These are all out of different types of jeans. They were jeans that my daughter had grown out of. I cut this pile right here. All cut with precision. And this little teeny weeny pile right here. There they all are. So we've got our 3 piles now, and we're going to go ahead and glue those onto the jean. And as you can see right here, we have got a bunch of the black marker that we're going to be covering up. We're going to start with a larger petal. I'm just going to give you an example. And then we'll go with a medium-sized petal. And then we'll go with a smaller petal. And I'm trying to make the denim a little bit different colored from each other because there was 3 different colors of denim. So we're going to just keep doing that. Now I don't want it to be just a cluster of flowers right here because that might make it kind of obvious that I'm trying to hide something. So we are going to put a couple of flowers up further. So we'll go one there. So then I will continue on, and I'm going to be using this fabric fusion glue right here. Just going to put glue around the outside here. And this is clear glue, and it dries clear. And if the ends fray up a little bit, that's not a big deal. These are jeans, so that'll just add to the style. Okay, and we got our first one glued on. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the rest of these glued on here, and then I will be back with you. Now I have gotten the leg all done, so I'm going to do the pocket. So I'll go ahead and glue that, and then I am going to glue some onto one more leg. For that final reveal, how about a reveal of what both legs look like? Okay, so to use laser GRBL, or Gerbil, laser gerbil, you're going to go to File, and then Open File. We're going to go ahead and select the file that we want. We'll open that, and then it's going to give us some options. So for quality, I like it set at 9. It makes the lines nice and smooth. Then we hit Next. And right here where it says size, this is where we're going to put in our actual size. Now, laser GRBL does go in millimeters, and this is a project that is 7.5 inches wide. So in millimeters, for 7.5 inches, it's 190.5 millimeters. So for the width, I'm going to put 190.5. And then it automatically adjusts the height for me, so I will leave that alone. And the very next thing we do is hit create, and we have our shape on our screen here. And as you can see, there's lines around where we're wanting to cut. It does have a little bit of filling in there, but don't worry about that part. Just worry about the lines. Once we get it ready, the very next step is right up here where there's just a little green arrow that we would hit go on. But I'm going to show you how to set it up now. This is the box that I'm going to hit to frame out the project to make sure that I know exactly where the project is going to be engraved at or going to be cut at. It's that square with the arrows. Now what I have done is applied spray adhesive to this part right here, which was upholstery fabric. I used this all-purpose spray adhesive, and then I glued it on to some micro suede fabric right here. And so here's the actual back of the purse. This is the front of the purse, and I'm going to go ahead and sew that together for you so you can see the final result. So what we're going to do is take these two, put them pretty side to pretty side, and sew them together to make a purse. And then I will put a handle on it, and I'm also going to make a little engraving on it that says Ms. Angela Sawyer that we will put at the bottom, and we're going to engrave leather for that. So that's coming up too. Leather engraving! Woo! Okay, and we got it sewn together. Let's turn it right side out and see what we have. Whoa, hang on. Okay, and for our next step, we're going to glue some trim on to the top of this so we don't have to turn the edges under. I have some paper on here so the glue won't go through. We're going to glue it on, and it'll go around like this. See? And like that. And won't that just be really pretty? So I'm going to glue that on really quick, and then I will put a strap on and show you the final reveal. Pretty cool, huh? This thing even engraves on leather, and you can make it engrave even lighter than that if you'd like. That is the darkest engraving. And here is the purse. Here is the front of the purse and the back of the purse. And let's put it all together. We have the purse and the pants. Here are the back of the pants. If you've only thought of laser engravers for wood engraving, hopefully this opens up your eyes a little bit. Let me know what you would engrave next. The WizMaker 12W is easy to start and versatile enough for real projects, not just engraving on plain old wood. We have engraved on wood. Isn't that just beautiful? We have engraved on fabric. Yes, we have. And the jeans. There is the laser engraving, Ms. Angela Sawyer. And here is the entire purse, including the handle, which I braided out of some really beautiful ribbon. And then I took and put this cool trim along the outside, and then the back of it looks like that. And there we have it, the purse. Isn't that just unique and beautiful, and something you never would have thought would have been made by a laser engraver? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button if you got value out of this video, which hopefully you did. I know I got value out of this video. I'd like to thank the makers of WizMaker WAND for making my pants and my awesome purse. Now I can walk around town in style. Here are all the finished products: the purse, the jewelry box, and the pants. Be sure to check the description for the link for the laser engraver and some other information. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.